Looking for pro-level video on a shoestring budget? You're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top budget cameras of 2025, so you can shoot, vlog, and create without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner, a vlogger, or just want to capture life's moments in better quality, there's something here for you. Let's find your perfect match. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which camera you think is the best fit for your needs. I love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 4. The Osmo Action 4 is my top pick for action cameras this year, and honestly, it even outshines GoPro in some key areas. With DJI now launching the Action 5 Pro, the Action 4 is often available at a great price, making it even more appealing for budget-conscious creators. What really sets the Osmo Action 4 apart is its larger 1/1.3-inch sensor. This means you get noticeably better low-light performance, perfect for shooting indoors, in caves, or at night. While GoPro likes to brag about its 5.3K resolution, the reality is most people watch content in 4K or even lower, so the extra pixels don't make a huge difference for most viewers. What matters more is how much light the sensor can capture, and the Osmo's sensor simply does a better job, resulting in clearer, more detailed footage. In my experience, the Osmo Action 4 delivers smoother, more natural video, especially in darker scenes with stabilization turned on. The colors look true to life, not overly saturated, and the D-Log M flat profile makes color grading and matching drone footage super easy. If you like to tweak your footage in post, you'll appreciate this feature. Mounting the camera is also a breeze thanks to DJI's magnetic quick-release system. It's strong, secure, and much faster than fiddling with traditional clips or screws. This is a small detail, but it makes a big difference when you're out shooting and want to swap mounts quickly. If you want an action camera that excels in low light, offers natural-looking video, and is genuinely easy to use, the Osmo Action 4 is a smart choice, especially at its current price point. It's a fantastic all-rounder for creators who want pro-level results without the pro-level price tag. Number 2. Feiyu Pocket 3. A stabilized pocket gimbal camera is a smart, budget-friendly way to boost your video production value. It combines both a camera and a gimbal in one compact device, so you get smooth, cinematic shots, even while walking or moving. Gimbals use multiple optical axes to physically counteract camera shake, which is a game-changer for handheld shooting. Now, while the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the current gold standard in this category, if you're watching your budget, the Feiyu Pocket 3 is a strong alternative. It delivers reliably good footage with effective stabilization and a 16mm equivalent wide lens, making it perfect for vlogging, travel, and capturing broad scenes. The battery life is impressive, and the camera even offers fun slow-motion features for creative shots. One standout feature is its fully wireless design. The gimbal handle can detach and connect to your phone, giving you flexible shooting options and making it easier to get creative with your angles. However, the Feiyu Pocket 3 does have a smaller sensor, fewer accessories, and more limited video settings compared to DJI's Osmo Pocket 3. So, you are making a few trade-offs. Still, at $329 versus DJI's $519, the Feiyu Pocket 3 is a much more affordable choice for vloggers or filmmakers who want smooth, stabilized footage without spending a fortune. If you're looking to step up your video quality on a budget, this is a great option. Number 3. Akaso Brave 7LE. There are plenty of budget action cameras out there, but honestly, a lot of them just aren't worth your money. The Akaso Brave 7LE, however, stands out as the best affordable option that truly delivers value. It shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second, which is good enough for most needs, and even includes a front-facing selfie screen. Something the GoPro Hero 8 Black doesn't have. While its stabilization isn't quite on GoPro's level, it still makes handheld shooting smooth and easy. The menus are straightforward, the build quality is solid for the price, and you get a decent selection of accessories in the box. For everyday use, travel, or casual vlogging, The Akaso Brave 7 LE is a great value action camera that won't break the bank. Number 4. Sony HDR-AX43. Sometimes I just want a video camera that's simple and hassle-free. And that's exactly what the Sony AX43 camcorder delivers. With many budget camcorders discontinued by top brands, the AX43 stands out as a sensibly priced option. And it's the most affordable model I'd actually recommend. One of its best features is the powerful 20x optical zoom lens, which gives you great flexibility for filming wildlife, sports, or even picking out a face in a crowd. Camcorders like this are built specifically for video, so they fit comfortably in your hand and are easy to use for long shoots. Sony's intelligent auto mode makes shooting effortless, delivering impressive results without much need to dive into manual settings. In our tests, we rarely had to adjust anything beyond the basics. The main downside is the lack of an eye-level viewfinder, so you'll need to rely on the flip-out 3-inch LCD screen, which can be tricky in bright sunlight. However, the AX43 does include a headphone jack for monitoring audio and a microphone input, both essential for getting the best sound quality. For straightforward, reliable video recording, the Sony AX43 is a solid choice. Number 5. Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. If you want a true point-and-shoot camera with impressive zoom, the Canon PowerShot SX740 HS is hard to beat. Its 24 to 960 mm equivalent focal range means you can capture everything from wide landscapes to distant details, all in a pocket-sized body. The 20.3 megapixel 1/2.3 inch sensor delivers solid image quality, and the flip-up LCD screen is perfect for selfies or vlogging. You also get a fast 10 frames per second burst shooting rate and 4K video recording, making it versatile for both photos and video. If you don't need 4K, the slightly cheaper SX730 HS is a good alternative with full HD. Overall, the SX740 HS offers excellent zoom, good autofocus, and great value for its price. So, which is the best? For unbeatable image quality, stabilization, and all-around value, the DJI Osmo Action 4 takes the crown. It's the ultimate budget-friendly camera for creators in 2025. Let me know which camera you'd pick or if there's another budget gem I should check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.